Give me some music! Now, good morrow, friends. Cesario, but that piece of song, that old and antique song we heard last night, methought it did relieve my passion much more than light airs and recollected terms of these most brisk and giddy-paced times. Come, but one verse.
He is not here, so please your lordship, that could sing it.
Who is it?
Feste, the jester, my lord, a fool that the Lady Olivia's father took much delight in. He is about the house.
Well, seek him out and play the tune a while. Come hither, boy. If ever thou shalt love, in the sweet pangs of it, remember me. For such as I am, as all true lovers are, unstayed and skittish in all motions else, save in the constant image of the creature that is beloved. How dost thou like this tune?
It gives the very seat where love is thrown.
Dost thou speak masterly?
Oh.
My life upon it, young as thou art, thine eye hath stayed upon some favor that it loves, hath it not, boy?
A little, by your favor.
What kind of woman is it?
Of your complexion.
She is not worthy then. What years, I faith?
Of your years, my lord.
Too old, by heaven! Let still the woman take an elder than herself. So where's she to him, so sways the level of her husband's heart? For boy, however we do praise ourselves, our fancies are more giddy and unfirm, more wavering, longing, sooner lost and worn than woman's are.
I think it will, my lord.
Then let thy love be younger than thyself, or thy affection cannot hold the bent. For women are as roses, once on display, doth fall, that very hour.
And so they are, alas that they are so, to die, even when they to perfection grow.
Once more, Cesario, get thee to same yon sovereign cruelty. Tell her, my love, more noble than the lands, prizes, not quantity of dirty lands, the parts that fortune hath bestowed upon her. Tell her that I hold as giddily as fortune, but 'tis that miracle and queen of gems that nature pranks her and attracts my soul.
But if she cannot love you, sir?
I cannot be so answered.
Sooth, what she must. Say that some lady, as there might be, hath for your love as great a pang of heart as you have for Olivia. You must answer her, must she not be answered?
There is no woman's sides can bear the beating of such strong a passion as love doth give my heart. No woman's heart, so big to hold so much, they lack retention. Alas, their love may be called appetite. No motion of the liver, but the palate. That suffers for fate, cloyment, and revolt, but mine is all hungry as the sea, and can digest as much. Make no compare between the love a woman can bear me and that I owe Olivia.
But I know.
Oh, what dost thou know?
Too well what love to men may women owe. Were I a woman, I should your lordship.
And what is her history?
A blank, my lord. She never told her love, but let concealment like a worm eat the bud, feed on her damask cheek. She, pinned in thought, with a green and yellow melancholy, sate like patience on a monument, smiling at grief. Was not this love indeed? We may swear more, say more, but indeed our shows are more than will, for still we prove much in our vows, but little in our love.
But died your sister of her love, my boy?
I am all the daughters of my father's house, and all the brothers too, and yet I know not. Shall I to this lady?
Aye, that is the theme. To her in haste. Take this jewel. Give it to her. Say my love can give no place. Bid no denay.